Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I thought I would paint a bit with you. So this is my room and I redecorated it. I made a video about it if you have seen that maybe. And on my shelves I have these two frames that are still empty because I didn't have the time to do anything with it, and I really wanted to paint something for these shelves so that this area would look just more interesting. So yeah, here we are. I also really wanted to try to recreate some Pinterest art and see if I could do it and how it would look in the end, because artwork can be so expensive and I really wanted to do it myself, but I wasn't really creative and I wanted to see if I could do it. So for the first artwork I really wanted to do something into line art because I did a bullet journal month in summer. I don't know which month exactly, but you can see it on my YouTube channel if you want to, and I really love line art. I think it looks so cute. It's actually kind of easy, and so yeah, I went onto Instagram and I wanted to let you decide. So I gave you two options that I really liked, and most of you said that I should do the left one, and as you might see from my sketch, the left one it is. And I'm really happy about that decision because I think it will fit perfectly into my room, because it's going to be there where all my jewelry is, and it's going to be so cute and minimal and just be in the background so my jewelry can stand out. And yeah, so first I did the sketch, just roughly, doesn't have to be very complicated. And then I just took some black acrylic paint and outlined everything. And now here is where it gets interesting. So I don't know if my paint was too old or too dry, or my brush was just too cheap, I don't know, but it got very messy when I wanted to try to draw these lines, and I wanted it to look super clean like the line art you saw before on the picture, but I actually liked how it looked in the end because it looked a lot more rough and more sketchy and more, I don't know, undone maybe. And so I kept that style, and I even went back in it when I was finished with the whole thing and tried to make everything look a little bit more messy, because I don't know, I just love how that looks and I kind of fell in love with that, and that's what I really love about art. So you make these like happy accidents and just fall in love with it even more. Now for the second art pattern I wanted to recreate, I wanted to add a lot more color, but some earth tones that might fit into my room pretty good. And yeah, I again wanted to let you decide, but most of my Instagram followers said I should do the girl with the flowers in the hand, but I love that. I love it. It looks so cute, but you have seen my room with the shelves, and I just think that it would be too much. I think it could look very crowded and maybe just over the top, and so I am sorry. I did choose the other one. I didn't go with a pole, but it was almost 50-50, so I guess that's quite alright. Please don't hate me. In this painting, everything was more going according to plan, because this time the paints didn't act so weird as with the black one I used in the last one, and just in general everything worked better. I did mix some colors that were just similar, so I didn't really want to like copy and paste like a printer would. So of course this is still like recreating Pinterest art, but I just wanted to have like similar colors but not like the exact same color, so I was just mixing and I was like, yeah, that's fine. And also I noticed that my sketch and just my painting in general in the end was a little bit off scale, so you won't notice it when you look at it right now, but if you were to compare it right next to the original, you would see that, for example, my leaves were a little bit bigger and the position was a little bit different. So it was just inspired by the original, and you can definitely tell that it is supposed to be the same painting, but I just wanted to say that because it doesn't have to be perfect. Because if you want to try that yourself and want to try to recreate some Pinterest art, just don't be too hard with yourself. In general, when you're painting, your painting doesn't have to look exactly like the original, because I like mine how it looks. It was just a little fun experiment and I like how it turned out, and it looks good in my room. At least I think so. You will see in the end of this video. And yeah, just as a little disclaimer here. And so yeah, let's get into the rest of me painting. So after I finished painting my two artworks, I let them dry completely because we don't want any stains anywhere. And then I just put them back into my frames, and now here you can see again a little before and after of my shelves. I did keep the position of the two frames because I really like that very much, so I was already thinking about where to put which one. And yeah, I decided that I wanted to take the girl on the lower shelf and the plant on the upper shelf, because the upper shelf is more empty in general, so more color is pretty good on there. And on the lower one is my jewelry, so I think that it fits there perfectly, and I really like how they both turned out. It was very fun to do, very easy, and something that I would recommend everyone to do. And so yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. I really hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon. Please tell me in the comments which artwork you liked best, and if you like these type of videos, that would be interesting to know too. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye!